In this video, many times happen like that. You enter the password in certain site and you forgot that. Okay, in that case, suppose मेरे case में एक site है ये. Okay, and I forgot that what I have written here. Okay, so how to find out that? So you have just do one thing. Just select that, or you can press right click on your mouse pad or mouse, or click on inspect. Either you can do one more thing, just press Control Shift and I. Control Shift and I, and it will open the same thing. Okay, just press on that and inspect it. Okay, there here you will get input HTML tag. Okay, input type is used to if it belongs to some web development field, you can get to know that. Okay, what HTML tag. Okay, here just you got input type. Okay, and that's it, password. You just simply select it and press a backspace on your keyboard, or simply type text and hit the enter button, and you get to know what you have written here. Okay, so it will be very useful in any type of site. Suppose you have forgot, you have written some text and there is not an button to show what you have written. In that case, you can also do this thing.